And now it's 2026, and 2 weeks ago it was all over the media that an open AI system disproved such an Erdős conjecture. Someone wins that, then gets the gold medal in the Math Olympiad. And the observation over the last 50 years is that most of those who won it later in life also win the Fields Medal. For example, Terence Tao. Yes. And at the beginning of 2024, Google started using the AI systems they have at DeepMind to prove mathematical theorems, as you said, in the field of geometry, triangles, circles, lines, and so on. And they were able to show that this system was capable of finding new relationships between triangles, circles, and lines that no one had thought of before. And then, as I said, a colleague from mathematics told me, yeah, well, geometry isn't that difficult. So it's always this, yeah, but. And then, as I said, half a year later, this DeepMind system was at silver medal level at the Math Olympiad. And then another year later, in the summer of 2025, both DeepMind and then OpenAI had a system that reached gold medal level at the Math Olympiad. And now it's 2026, and 2 weeks ago it was all over the media that an OpenAI system disproved such an Erdős conjecture. And that's actually now far beyond the Math Olympiad. So these are mathematical problems. In the Math Olympiad, the people who are the referees, so to speak, know that it's possible. We just want to see if the kids and students who participate can do it. But with this Erdős conjecture, distances between points in the plane, no one had any idea for 80 years whether it was possible or not. And now this AI has said, it's not possible. And that, you just have to accept that for now. So humanity didn't figure it out in 80 years and AI figured it out. And then everyone says again, yeah, but now they probably needed like 10,000 tries and they're only reporting on one case where it worked, but that's not the point. So they probably needed those 10,000 tries, but the thing is, they can actually do it. But humanity as a whole, the entire mathematics community, took 80 years and didn't come up with a solution.